If you have been trying to run Claude Code for free, you have tried different methods, right? Olama was too slow, NVIDIA name kept giving you errors, and you are sitting here thinking, okay, is there any actual way or actual solution which is working? Well, there is. And I have been quietly using it for a while now, and the responses came back in seconds. And the model quality is right up there with a Claude Sonnet. So you're not giving up anything. So today I'm going to show you everything how we can set this up. Okay, so open this website, opencode.ai, and then here you can click on the npm. This is where you can see here, and then we have to copy this command. You click on it, it will be copied, okay? And then we have to basically install the OpenCode. But to do that, we need to have the Node.js installed on the computer. So if you're on Windows, you can simply click on this Windows installer.msi. Just simply download it and it's install it. That's it. And then this is gonna install on your Windows. Now once you're done with that, you have to simply go on the search and search for PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell, this one, click on it and it will take you to the PowerShell window here. So first let's check that the Node.js is installed or not. Okay, so if you can see the command here, node space -v, copy this and paste it in here and enter. You can see it gives you the version that we are on. That means the Node.js is installed. Perfect. Now we need to go to the OpenCode here. We simply go ahead and copy the same command here and just open the PowerShell, but in this time let's close the PowerShell again, and here click on start and open PowerShell as an administrator. Right click on it and run as administrator. Click on yes and it will take you to the PowerShell again, and then paste this command in here and hit enter. That's it. It is going to install the OpenCode directly on your system. And same thing follows on the Mac as well, but there are some minor changes. But it's the same thing for the Node.js. If you guys already know how to install the Node.js on the Mac, you can do the same thing. Yeah, so once it's done, so then we have to install the Claude Code. But first, let's wait for this one. Alright, so as you can see here, it has been installed. Now let's go ahead and access this, okay? We'll just simply write OpenCode and that's it. It's gonna take you to the platform. This OpenCode, it's basically like a Claude Code CLI, exactly like that. If you can see here, exactly here. So now here we have to just simply do one thing. But first we go back to the OpenCode and we click on Zen, okay, and then we try to log in. Okay, this is important. This is where we are going to get the API key. So let's click on the API key here, continue with Google. So I'm gonna be using one of the accounts. Alright, so I am logged in. As you can see here, we have the access to the OpenCode's account, and then we can simply go around API keys. We can simply go ahead and create new key. I'll say Claude, okay, and click on create. Alright, so the key has been created, and let's just click on copy and go back to the terminal here, this one, and then write /connect. You can see the connect, and it gives you which provider that you want to connect. So we will go with this one, OpenCode Zen, the recommended one. Hit enter, and it's asking you write the paste the API key. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste the API key here, and then we will be inside here, and then here we are going to select this model Minimax M2.5 free. Just hit enter on this one, and now our model has been selected over here, as you can see here. So let's just try to say something. Hi, I want to show you how fast it is. Okay, so as you can see here, I just send a hi message. It is going to answer it answers 7 seconds. Let's just say what model are you using? Okay, let's go with that. As you can see, 3 seconds. It said I'm powered by Minimax 2.5 free. This is a model that I'm using. So now our first setup is completed. Now we have to connect this with the Claude Code. So let's just close this one. Control C, and then you will be back to the terminal. Now go to the Claude Code, and this is a website, and click on Quick Start. And then you can see here we have different commands. For Mac we have this command. For Windows, since we are on the Windows, I'm gonna copy this command. Click on copy and then go to the terminal and paste this command directly in here. And what this is gonna do is it is going to simply install the Claude Code on my system. So let me just hit enter. And this one is gonna take a time a little bit because it's, I think, 300-400 MBs. So it's gonna take a minute or something. So I'll get back to you once it's done. So this is perfect. Now as we can see here, the Claude Code has been successfully installed here with this version and everything. It has created this directory in here. So we need to go there to do the next task. So it is inside my folder, and then let me just show you. Okay, and then open this one and go back here and click on users. All right, and then this is my folder, and then we have this .claude folder, if you can see here directly. All right, and this is the file that it has. We have to edit. If you do not have this file, you can simply go ahead and create this file like this. Click on new, text document, write settings .json, okay, and remove this one. Okay, and I'm sure that you will have this file, so we don't need to create this one. So I'm gonna delete this one here, and then we have to simply go ahead and open this file. We have to edit this file. So I'm gonna be editing this with the VS Code. Okay, this is gonna be the VS Code, the file here, or we can simply edit this file using a notepad. That's not an issue. Now here we need to update the code that I'm going to provide you. Okay, so this is the code that you have to update. Okay, now here we have to enter the API key, this one here. So go back to open code, click on this API key that we just created, the Claude one, and just come back to this one and delete this one and paste this key. Make sure that it's inside the double quotes, that's important, and click on save. That's it. Close this one. And now go back to the terminal. This time we're going to be using a new window here. Open this one and write Claude. Simple. It's going to take you to the Claude. It's saying accessing the workspace. Security guide. Do you trust the folder? Yes, I trust the folder. Hit enter. And then it says, do you want to use this API key? If you can see here, this API key that we just pasted. So click on yes. And then as you can see here, we have the access to the Claude Code, and you can see here it has this access to this model. But let me show you first thing. Let's just try something. Okay, but first of all we just have to set this effort. Okay, we'll say effort, and we'll just keep it to the medium. Okay, the intelligence, and then we'll say hi. Let's see how fast it is going to answer. Okay, this is the first time. It's gonna take like 3-4 seconds, 5 seconds. Hi, it said effort level set to medium. Okay, and did it answer me or not? Like, hello? Perfect. Hey, how can I help you today? 5 seconds. What model are you using? It's super fast, really. You can literally code anything with this now. It's super crazy fast, and it's best. I'm currently using Minimax 2.5 free. This is the fast and free model, free variant, and the most recent Claude model family is Claude for whatever. So point is, it is working. Now we can simply go ahead and code with this. But those of you who are not like familiar with this CLI stuff, this terminal stuff, what we can do is we can simply go ahead and use the Claude Code in the VS Code. In the IDE. So for that thing, we have to install the VS Code. If you guys don't know what VS Code is, I think you guys might have been already familiar with that, because if you guys are like, you know, watching this video, then I think you are. But still, we have, by the way, my internet is kind of slow right now, so we have to simply go ahead and install the VS Code. Most of you guys will already have it, I'm sure, but those of you who doesn't have it installed, just go ahead and install the VS Code. I already have installed it, so I'm gonna just simply go ahead and open this VS Code. It's right here. Just let me just drag it from the second screen. Okay. By the way, this is a website that you have to use to install the VS Code. By the way, if you're on Windows, you can do this. If you're on Mac, you already know how to do this. So this is the VS Code you have to be on, right? Perfect. Now, how do we access the Claude Code inside this one? If you can see here, we have this button, this extension. Click on it, and then here we will write Claude simply, right? And the first one that we see here, it has this blue tick which says Anthropic. This is the official one. Make sure that you don't install we have a couple of different things, right? So simply click on install. Yes, trust the workspace and install it. Once it's installed, it will say then disable. Yeah, now it's installed. Now let's go ahead and click on this one, this folder one. We have to open any folder. Let's click on any folder. We will try to create any folder on here. Let's just say Claude. Okay, forget about the spelling. Open this folder, and now you are inside the folder here. As you can see here, this is where we are going to use it. There are two ways to access the Claude here inside the VS Code. First thing is, if you can just, in your case, you may have it like this. You can just make it a bigger one, just drag it like over here. Then we have a Claude Code over there. We can access it over there. But we also have the option to access the Claude Code by using this icon. Just click on it. It will be giving you another window. So we have two windows. We can close one of the windows and then close this file as well. Now we have the complete Claude Code over here, and it has access. So let's just say something. Hey, how are you? And it's going to answer you. You can see like 0 seconds. Hey, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Whatever. What model are you using? Okay, this is insanely fast, honestly. 0 seconds. I'm currently using Minimax 2.5 free. This is the fast and efficient model as of now. Perfect. Now do whatever you have to. Okay, let's just ask him something. Create a simple landing page in HTML for leads with just a hero section. That's it. And let's ask him this. So it's gonna be starting to create a landing page. As you can see on the right side, it's asking us to giving a permission. So I'm gonna be yes, allow all edits this session. So now it's gonna do its own thing. By the way, this is a file that it has created automatically. We can go ahead and open this. Check this out. It was done in like even in a second. I think only the second has passed. Now in case you want to check this out, how does this look, we can simply click on here right at the bottom side. It says go live. Click on it. It will take you to the browser and open this page on the browser, and you will see how well it looks. I mean, how does it look? I'm so sorry. It's simple, ready to get started for the leads. And now I'm gonna be asking him, hey, update this page, use some images and make it like a proper hero section with heading, subheading, call to actions and everything. And there's a menu as well on the top. Okay, let's hit enter. It's gonna update the code as of now. It's reading the file, now doing its own thing. Okay, so we have given him some context, like, add some images, add some hero section and stuff, like add the menu bar, add CDAs and everything. Now it has done this. Now let's go back to the page. Let's see. Amazing. It was just a simple instruction I gave him, so it has done it, and within just seconds. So now you know how to install the Claude Code for free, and then you can just do coding, you can make applications, and it's all free. And I don't know how long this is going to be free, this model. Hopefully it's gonna be free for a long time, but yeah, I think this is the easiest way and the cheapest way, and the only free way to access the Claude Code for free without any kind of limitations and that waiting period. I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. People are showing different NVIDIA's NIM models, those models, GLM models. Those are very time consuming. I have tested out personally, and it takes forever to answer a simple query. So we just did, like, I think it was only a minute ago that we just it only took us 1 minute to build a simple page. And then I'm also gonna leave every single thing, all the links, the commands, whatever is required for this to work. I'm gonna be leaving a link in the description which will take you to the website of mine, and then it will have all the instructions and everything. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it for the video, and if you guys like the video, please leave a like and share also, and also comment on the comment section about what you're gonna build using this method. And yeah, if you guys have any problems, please drop a comment. I'm always helping people. I have every single comment I have replied. I don't leave any comment unreplied. So yeah, have a good day, guys. Bye bye.